Hello friends, welcome to my channel Lifelong Learning. What if analysis is the process of changing the values in cells to see how these changes will affect the outcome of the formula on the worksheet. There are three kinds of what if analysis in Excel: scenarios, goal seek, and data tables. When you have multiple variables and you want to see their effect on the final result, and you want to compare between two or more desired sets of data, you can use the scenario manager. It is a functionality in Excel and can be spotted under the what if analysis. The three tools of what if analysis are here. In this video, we are going to see the scenario manager. In this example, we have event budget for three establishments: small establishment, medium, and large. We have some set of expenses, revenues, and some calculated data and the final result. If we want to compare these three data, I have to switch between the tabs and then we can see the data. Sometimes the data may be available in different worksheets, so it will be difficult for me to compare all the data. So we can go for a scenario manager. Each set of data like this is called a scene. Here we have got three scenes. One is for small, another is for medium, and another is for large. Likewise, you can create any number of scenes. The data given in pink border or calculated field. That means they are all some formulas. And the data given here are called input variables. You can have up to 32 input variables for a particular scene. Let us understand the data first. For the small establishment, you have some expenses. This is the sum of all the expenses, which is nothing but sum of C3 to C7. And these are all the revenues. You have price per ticket and beverages per ticket. And number of seats is equal to 200. So you can calculate that sales from the ticket will be 200 into F45 F5. And the sales from beverages is nothing but this 30 into 200, which is nothing but F4 into F5. Sum of these two is the total revenue. Total revenue minus total expenses is given as a profit or loss. So we get 9,400 profit for a small establishment. For different values of this show, rental, lighting, and this price ticket, we have a profit for 21,150 for a medium establishment. For a large establishment, the event budget gives you a profit of 27,650. We'll create a scene first. First to select the data, then we can go for this what if analysis, scenario manager. We are going to create our scene. First select the cells. If the cells are non-contiguous as given in this, you have to use a control key to select this. So we have selected the input data, input cells. Then go to data tab, what if analysis, scenario manager. You get a empty pop-up window here. You can just give a add. You have to specify the name of the scenario. First scenario will be for the small establishment. And the cells we have selected is specified here. You can give any comment if you want, then give OK. You can see that all the names of these cells are shown here and the respective values are shown here. If it exceeds 5, you will be given a scroll bar. We have added one scenario. You can give OK. Now if you want to add another scenario, you can give a add button. Specify the name of the scenario, which is nothing but medium. Changing cells will be the same. Give OK. Now the variables as well as the values are given. You can change the values. Number of seats accommodation is 300. Give OK. Now you can see that you have two scenarios. If you want one more scenario, press the add button. This is for the large establishment. So the expenses will be like this. Three scenarios. you can switch between all the scenarios. Show button. You can see that the data we have entered for the large scenario is shown here. If you click this medium, you give double click, you get the data for the medium budget. This is for the small one. If you want to have the summary, the scenario manager has various options to add a new scenario, which we have seen now. You can delete the scenarios, edit one, and merge in the scenario from another open workbook, and you can also give a summary. We'll click the summary button. You have got two types of reports. One is the scenario summary, another is the scenario pivot table report. We click the scenario summary and give OK, and the result cell is specified here. This is the final result. I give OK. A scenario summary is created in the next sheet. You can see that this is the current value which was shown here, and this is for the small establishment, medium and large. All the input data is given here. The corresponding calculated data is given here. You can easily compare the three scenarios here. The values are not dynamic. That means if you change the values here, say for the small establishment I am changing the value here, this value will not be reflected here. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Give a thumbs up if you like the video. You can share with your friends. Click the subscribe button. You will get notifications as and when a new video is released if you hit the bell button. Thank you.